Hello ChoroQ collectors, we have a Nissan Serena. It's part of the standard line of 04 and it's number 24 within that series. So let's take a look at this guy. It's got a little plastic wrapping it. I looked up 2004 Serena and I think this is similar. It's got, fog lights in there. The grill looks similar. Let's see where the tail lights. Yeah, that seems alright too. Alright, I think that's a close match. Standard 5-spoke wheels on this guy. We have a nice two-tone, kind of a champagne and then silver on the bottom. Really tight panel gaps here. Very nice. Molded window details. Just some white paint for the headlights. Nice grille here, and the outline of the Nissan badge is cool. A little blank white license plate. Could use a little black, but nice ribbing texture here. And I could use, well, I guess it is silver already for those fog lights. Clear body, you can see the motor through it. Some rain gutters up here. Door panel cuts up here. Yeah, this looks the same as the other side. Some red for the taillights. Serena number 24. Alright, standard stuff. So let's say 04, screw, and a tab. Let me get some wheels out on this guy. Alright, I just popped on some regular Hot Wheels Wheel Riders on there with some mounting putty. Yeah, I like the lowered stance, and there's actually, more air passing through those spokes than the regular ChoroQs. So let's look at a couple other Nissans here. I have something called this Stage A, or Stagia. To me it looks like a Volvo. I have many Nissan Cubes. And then a fun one is this Nissan Escargot. I 3D printed some wheels on that one. Luxury van would be the Nissan Elgrand, and this has some 3D printed wheels and brakes that I actually purchased. To get into more modern times, we have a ChoroQ Zero of a Nissan NV350, I think it was. Yeah, an NV350. And that one also has some reel riders. Same reel riders, just different color scheme. Alright, so I like vans. I drive a minivan myself. I am an old man after all. But I do enjoy the practicality of hauling a bicycle in it. Okay, so there we go for today. This is an okay Choro. It's not, it's not something I lust after. It's not something I truly need to have, but it was pretty cheap, so that's why I bought it. That's a little Princess Mononoke ghost. Okay, well, thanks for watching today. I'll see you the next time I get a van. See ya.